Hello everyone. Today we are going to perform experiment on star connected unbalanced load. The basic purpose of performing star connected experiment on unbalanced load is to determine the active, reactive and apparent power with the use of unbalanced load. The load used is resistive in nature. Second most important purpose of performing experiment on unbalanced star connected load is to determine the line and phase values of voltage and current. In order to perform experiment on unbalanced star connected load, we are going to use a suitable value 0 to 100% rotary arm 3-phase auto transformer. To measure the value of line voltage, we are going to use 0 to 500 AC voltmeter. To measure the value of phase voltage, we are going to use 0 to 250 volt AC voltmeter. To measure the value of line current in unbalanced mode, we are going to use 0 to 5 ampere AC ammeter, and for measuring the value of phase current, we are going to use 0 to 5 ampere AC ammeter. Next one is to measure the power under unbalanced load condition using star connection. We are going to use wattmeter W1, which is connected in R phase. The wattmeter is of 750 watt, 600 volt and 5 ampere. Similarly, under unbalanced load condition, to measure the power in B phase, we are going to use 750 watt, 600 volt, 5 ampere wattmeter. Next one is this is the resistive load bank connected in unbalanced star mode. With the use of these three different phases or switches connected in R phase, Y phase and B phase, we are going to make the arrangement of switches such that the unbalanced condition occurs in star connected mode. Therefore, with the values of line and phase quantities of voltage and current, wattmeter W1 and W2 reading and power factor reading which is nearly equal to 1, we are going to measure active, reactive and apparent power in star connected unbalanced mode condition.
Hello everyone, today we are performing experiment on star connected unbalanced resistive load. See here, we apply this voltage through auto transformer, and here is the voltage applied 415 volts. Whether these ammeters are connected in series and wattmeters measuring power W1 and W2. So line current, phase current, then this wattmeter gives you actual consumption of power in the star connected unbalanced condition. And how to maintain unbalanced condition we can understand by putting this selector switch on different positions. So you can get idea of what are readings measured and observed here.
Therefore, for 415 volt line voltage, the phase voltage is 234 volt, line current is 1.2 ampere, phase current is 1.057 ampere, wattmeter W1 shows 90 watt, wattmeter W2 shows 190 watt. Now we are going for next unbalanced switching position.
Here I put this on third position, while second Y phase on fourth position and B phase on fifth position.
Therefore, under this unbalanced condition, again the line voltage is 415 volt. Phase value of voltage is 234 volt. Line current value is 1.65 ampere. Phase current is 1.572 ampere. Wattmeter W1 shows 130 watt. Wattmeter W2 shows 240 watt. Now again we are going to change
Here,
the switching position.
now we put this selector switch on another position so that you will get different readings with different positions of the indication.
Therefore, with another unbalanced star switching position, line voltage is 415 volt. Phase voltage is 234 volt. Line current is 1.2 ampere. Phase current is 1.057 ampere. Wattmeter W1 gives 90 watt. Wattmeter W2 gives 150 watt. Now again I am going to change the position of switches in star connected unbalanced mode. Therefore, for star connected unbalanced condition, the line voltage is 415 volt. Phase voltage is 232 volt. Line current is 2.15 ampere. Phase current is 1 ampere. Wattmeter W1 gives 180 watt and wattmeter W2 gives 150 watt. Therefore, with the values of voltage and current under unbalanced load condition, it is easy for us to determine the values of active power, reactive power and apparent power with power factor close to unity due to the use of resistive load bank.
So here we can learn one relationship, that is line voltage is always equal to √3 times that of phase voltage. Under balanced condition or unbalanced condition, this ratio maintain same. This is very important concept and conclusion we can understand through star connected resistive load bank experiment with balanced condition as well as unbalanced condition.